Hello, scholars. Welcome to another Foundations lesson. Today we have two new sounds. Are you ready? Here we go. Our first new sound is P, pan, P. P, pan, P. Good job. I want you to do it with me now. Look at the letter keyword sound. Here we go. Ready? P, pan, P. Great job. All right, our other new letter is the letter J. Here we go. My turn first. Listen. J, jug, J. J, jug, J. Your turn. Are you ready? J, jug, J. Great job, scholars. Two new sounds, two new letters. All right, we are going to go over to our skywriting now. So I need everybody to stand up. Make your arm nice and straight as we skywrite our letters together. I'm going to talk you through, okay? Here we go. I have two letters that are going to start at the airplane line. The first one is the letter J. So J is a plain line letter. I'm going to start at the plain line and go all the way down to the worm line and make a curve and add a dot above it. That was pretty easy, right? Try again. Start at the plain line, make a straight line all the way down to the worm line and then curve and a dot above it. Great job. That was the letter J, jug, J. Now let's try our letter P. Are you ready? P is a plain line round letter. So fingers up. You're going to start at the plain line and come all the way down to the worm line. Trace back up the plain line and curve all the way around to the grass line. P, P. Very good. All right, let's try that one more time. Are you ready? We're going to start at the plain line, come all the way down to the worm line, trace back up the line to the plain line, and curve around to the grass line. P, pan, P. Great job, scholars. You really are working hard on those letters. We're going to get ready to write them together in just a moment. But first, I want to review our vowel chart. Okay, here we go, scholars. We are going to do our vowel chart. But first, I'm going to share my screen just like we do in our Zoom lessons. Are you ready to say the sounds with me? We're going to stretch them out. Here we go. A, apple. A, great job. Next vowel, E, ed. Good, E. Next letter, I, itch. Good, I. Next letter, O, octopus. Great job. Finally, U, up. Wow, you did really good, scholars. We are ready to move on now. Everybody go and get your whiteboards and your dry erase marker. If you don't have it, pause the video here and get it now. All right, I am going to share my screen with you again as we write these letters together. Are you ready, scholars? We are going to start with our letter J. You are going to start at the plain line, come all the way down to the worm line and curve and put a dot above it. Wow, that's a great job. Let's try it again. Start at the plain line, come straight down all the way to the worm line, curve around, and a dot above it. Great job. My marker's acting a little silly. All right, we're ready to move on to our next letter. Let's try our letter P. Our letter P. P, pan, P. All right, here it goes, scholars. This is a plain line round letter. So we're starting at the plain line, straight line all the way down to the worm line and back up the line to the plain line and curve around to the grass line. The letter P. Let's try that again. Start at the plain line, come all the way down to the worm line, climb back up the same line to the plain line and curve around to the grass line. The letter P. You can take a few minutes now to go ahead and try a few more of those on your own and be ready to come to class sharing a J word and a P word. See you soon, scholars.